Howdy, folks. Was out fixing the handle on my modified scythe, and while I was hitting the yard up, I thought I heard something moving down here. Although, now that I'm down here and talking, nothing's going to move, but you never know. You can see the windmills turning there. Rain is falling. Forest is so green. You can see, though, the obviously trimmed grass that my scythe was able to cut. Got a metal leaf rake attached to it so that it kind of has a ground bumper, keep it at a more consistent height, and then I can use dropping and pulling as opposed to a full swipe, because this is not the right kind of scythe for that. So here's my oak tree that I'm waiting for this part to fall, and eventually I'll get this cut, but right now I ain't messing with it because it's all the way down here, but one of these days. And you can see some other bits of it over here that I may have to yet try and harvest. Actually, there's quite a few trees down there that are probably beyond my reach, but I might be able to get them hauled up. And even this beast might have some solid wood to it for burning. It's been sitting there for a couple of years. It looks like something's been using this to get straight through. Oh, lots of thorns. So there's the creek, much lower than it was the last time I showed you. Oak canopy coming in. Flowers on all the Siberian elms. And this old rotted oak. Big old fat mama. It's one with the 4-foot diameter trunk. So anyways, this has been your brief foray back into the sacred realm.